somebody creating like a ChatGPT version of something, and the results are cascaded all the way up because nobody actually can check if the results are wrong or right, then you might make a really bad choice. So
Mm.
I think learning how to prompt is one thing and how to interact with, let's say, chatbots. But even more importantly, always double check the results, right? At least just in some ways to make sure that there's not completely wrong, but then let that inform you how to prompt better or how to give feedback to that specific AI application
Yeah,
to improve what it's doing. That's important.
yeah. It's quite interesting because, in my experience, a lot of people don't understand that you don't just enter something and get a result. It's actually a conversation. And uh, people don't think of that because they're so used to you do a search query and you get all
Correct.
the
Yeah.
results, and then you do another search query. So, how would you describe that to people? Like, how are you putting in? And specifically, you mentioned the if you're using APIs from those groups like OpenAI and you're actually storing it locally, what does that local data mean compared to using ChatGPT itself? What does that look like? I know there's two questions there, but yeah.
Sure. I think first, maybe to the second part of it is that when you have it locally, or at least within your own cloud environment, depending on how you're working, then you keep it basically safe within your own cybersecurity borders,
Yeah.
let's say, right? And that is always important, especially when you do more specific things to your organization. You don't want certain information to be leaked, right? Anyway, because again, back to your points about patient data being leaked, that is even probably easy to use now, basically public AI applications to do it. And
Mm.
so we should really shy away from that. And that just creates a safe environment so you can experiment better without having the fear of something bad is going to happen to the data.